Alright, welcome traders. Okay, so this video is going to be a very short video. Okay, within 3 to 4 minutes we are out of here. Today I'm going to be talking about why you should actually invest in gold now. Why you should invest in gold now. And I'm not going to confuse you or go into too much details or too much history about gold and all of that now. Okay, and before I proceed, I should also tell you that investing is a long-term game. Okay, it's a long-term game, and it's a game of holding. Okay, it's like how well can you hold, what particular time frame can you hold to compound your money, to compound your profit. That's what investing is all about. So if you're not the kind of person that's interested in holding a particular market for years, let's say 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, depending, okay, I don't think this is the video for you. You can do normal trading, go and trade your currency pairs or any of that. Okay, I'm talking about investing here. Okay, so here is why you should actually invest in gold. Let me just show you the chart, or let me just share a video where I spoke about the chart of gold, or what is happening in gold right now. Okay,
so gold just broke out actually now. It just broke out today. At the point of my previous recording, that is the starting of this particular video, gold was basically still ranging around this point. As you can see, it was ranging around this point. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see it. Okay, so it was basically ranging, you can see, around this point. Okay, so that is why I spoke about gold breaking out then. So it was ranging around this point, and although we expected to keep ranging, but today it broke out. Okay, so today it broke out. So if you go to a daily time frame, let's go to a daily time frame now. If you go to a daily time frame, you notice that what the range was broken with this particular candle. Okay, today being September 12th, this was night, so this was this 2 and this 16. So today is September 12th, the day gold broke out from the range. And why is this range important to us? Why was this range important to us? It's because this is the all-time high of gold so far. Okay, this have been the all-time high of gold so far. We are going to see that. I'm going to show you. But before I proceed, I should let you know, okay, why is it important to actually invest in gold? And why is it at this particular moment? This is the reason for this video. All right, this is the reason for this video, why you must what? Invest in gold now. So before we start, I should let you know that investing is a long-term game. So investing is not something we are looking to do to enter today and come out tomorrow. No. Okay, we are looking at in the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, putting your money continuously in an asset, in a particular commodity. Okay, in the next 5 to 10 years. Let's say in you can put whatever amount you want to put monthly. Okay, $10 monthly, $100 monthly, any amount you can is a personal something. Okay, within the next 10 years, that your money could have as 10. Okay, could have been multiplied by 10 or by 20, depending on the amount. Okay, depending on the amount you are investing. On average, gold could offer 6 to 8% annual return minimum. Okay, minimum of 6 to 8% annual return. Okay, so if you are investing, let's say $100 monthly, okay, by the end of the year, that is $1,200. With an 8% of this, okay, you are having the beauty of it lies in the compounding, not just investing once in a year. No, the beauty of it lies in the compounding. We're looking at 5 to 10 years from now, not 1 week or 1 month. I'm particularly speaking to the investors here, those that are willing to let their money work for them. All right. So, first of all, what are the reasons why you should actually invest in gold? Why is it better to invest in gold than in your local currency? Okay. The thing is, for centuries, even before money was created. We all know that gold was one of the major means of exchange. Okay, gold have always reflected value and is a major hedge against inflation. When I speak about inflation, you see your currencies, you see USD, JPP, JPY. Okay, these are currencies: Japanese yen, CAD, Canadian dollar, the United States dollar, the Japanese yen, the Great Britain pound, each of that. These currencies can be printed. Okay, these currencies can be printed, they can be manufactured from thin air. They can be printed by the government, particularly. Okay, what you notice is that the more these currencies are printed, the more they get inflated. Because the more money gets into the circulation, the more the money loses value, and that is inflation. Okay, so over the years, it is sure that your local currencies are going to keep losing value, because as more money is printed into the circulation, of course, they will keep losing value. So inflation sets in. Okay, but then gold, on the other hand, is a great hedge against inflation because gold have always reflected a store of value. Gold cannot be manufactured from thin air. No, it's a limited resources, and this is what makes it important. This is what makes it valuable. It cannot be formed. Gold can be tangible. It can be intangible, depending. You can decide to buy the physical gold, okay, to buy the physical gold, or you can decide to trade the gold ETF. That is, you can decide to buy gold stocks. If you don't understand that, if you don't know how to do that, you can send me a private message or drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, I could have a call, a discussion where I guide you through step by step on how you can actually invest in gold without having the physical products. All right. In general, gold has universal value. Okay, gold has universal value and is always in demand, irrespective of the market. No matter where you go, no matter where you are in the part of the world, gold is always going to reflect value. It's a very limited resource. It's a limited resources. Okay, so this is the reason. These are the fundamentals. Okay, or the reason why you can never go wrong by buying gold, by holding gold. You can never go wrong, even though gold might reduce in value for a particular moment. It's always going to what? Come up in value because this is a limited resources. Okay, so this is the fundamentals of it. This is the fundamentals of gold. This is why no matter what, gold is never going to lose value. Cannot be what? Inflated. Gold is always going to be respected and seen as gold because it's gold. Are you getting me, guys? Because it's gold. Okay, so that's the fundamentals of it. Now, let's go to the interesting part. So, like I said, this has been the all-time high of gold. So, for the past 10 years, now I'm going to like I told you, this is not a 1 week analysis. Okay, this is not a 1 week analysis. We are looking at the next 5 years. Okay, this is not an analysis I can make in 1 day. No. Okay, so I'm going to the yearly time frame. Let me actually explain to you why I said this is the best time to buy gold. If you look at the yearly time frame of gold, you can see, okay, gold have been in an uptrend. And after every major break, what do you see? A continuation of the move upward for a particular number of years. Okay, and if you see what is happening right now, or if you compare what happened before to what is happening right now, you see, okay, let's move this chart. The previous impulse on gold, you can see that gold will have been in an uptrend. Okay, retracement, uptrend, retracement. And this was the previous impulse on gold. And this was when? The year 2000. So from year 2000 to 2011 or 12, gold have been in an up phase or an uptrend. Okay, now from 2012 to 2016, okay, gold was undergoing a retracement, and currently gold has started moving up again, just the way it did before in the last decade. Okay, so what you see right now is that gold have actually broken out from a major support, So if we zoom into this, and we pick out a rectangle to look at this, coming from a major support. Okay, basically. And what do we expect after that? Just what? A replication of the move that he made before. Okay, a replication of the previous move. And what was the previous move? If I pick out this rectangle now and I move it, we should be expecting a replication of this exact move on gold. Okay, and when do you think gold could actually achieve this? That could be what? Somewhere here. Pick out our tool and we'll check the year particularly. This could be 2029. Okay, 2029 estimately. Okay, so within 2030 to 2035, gold could actually get up to this price. So gold could actually get up to this price between 2029, 2030 to 2035. Okay, so that is why now is the best time to invest in gold. If you start investing in gold right now, you will become a millionaire or billionaire depending on the amount you invest in the next 10 years. Remember, investing, like I said, is a long-term game. Okay, a long-term game. Each of these candles you see here took one particular year to form. Took 1 year to form. Each of these candles you see here. Okay, so imagine how many years it's going to take for it to get here. Okay, so it's a long-term game. We're looking at the long picture here. We're looking at the yearly picture here. And as you can see, if we go down to the lower time frame now, gold broke a major high. Okay, this is 6 months. This is a 6 months chart. Okay, gold already broke a major high. If you also notice, you know that it took gold about 10 years to recover. Okay, let me show you. It took gold a period of 10 years to overcome the retracement it made here. Okay, so if you look at this, you see that this was 2012 to 2021. Okay, about close to 10 to 9 years before it could recover from the retracement it made here. Okay, and after that, what happens what we are going forward a bullish run. So if you are seeing this video at this particular moment, at this particular year, let's say 2024, 2025, you are in luck. This is the best time to invest in gold. This is the best time to eat the good of gold. This is the best time to enjoy the bull run of gold. Because just like I've said, we expect what? A continuation of this move upward. Okay. Now, this does not mean that gold sometimes will not have a bearish candle or a little retracement. It could have a retracement. Okay, it could have a retracement. It's not going to just keep going up. No, it could have a retracement. Okay, a little retracement, then still continue going up. Okay, the point is what? In the next 10 years, 8 to 10 years, gold could actually make you a millionaire or a billionaire, depending on the amount you invest. Okay, depending on how much you are investing. Okay, so if you look at the daily time frame of gold, I can see gold doing extremely well. The gold candle is doing extremely well. You can see that. So if you go also to the 4-hour time frame, you see the range, just like I showed you earlier. Gold broke out of this range and is doing exceedingly well. So these technicals combined with the fundamentals I gave you at the beginning of this video is the reason why it's important to start investing in gold now. And just like I said, if you need help in how to invest in gold ETF without getting the physical product, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll get to you on that. Happy investing.
So yes, I believe the video just now actually explained it all to you in form of technical analysis and also fundamental. But then let's talk about it actually. Okay, if you look at the currency market, you understand that because of inflation, currencies are going to keep losing value, whether you like it or not. Okay, whether you like it or not, currencies are going to keep losing value. Currencies are just paper which can be turned and printed anytime. The real money is gold. It can never go out of stock. This is 2024 as I make this video. Okay, in the next 10 years, let's say 2034, like I already explained in the previous chart, you can see where we're expecting gold to once it breaks this current high. You can see currently gold is actually ranging. At the point of making this video, it was ranging. Okay, so I don't know when I'm going to post this video, probably 2024, but gold was currently ranging when I'm making this video, and I have not broken this high. When it eventually breaks this high, we are going for a bull run. So this is a wake-up call to you if you're an investor. This is why you should invest in gold now, because in the next 10 years, gold might actually surprise everybody. Alright, so this is it guys, this is for today's video. And don't forget, this is not a financial advice. Okay, trading is risky. So whenever you're putting your money into something, know that there's a chance of losing it. But I've already given you all the data you need to make your decision. Alright, so see you in the next 10 years. Hopefully you'll be there to remind me of what I told you about gold. Until then, peace.